In this video, we're going to show you how to remove a Pfister shower handle with no set screw. So I need to access the valve body in there to replace it. In order to do this, this has no set screw. You want to check to make sure that that is the case with yours as well. But what you're going to do is you're going to turn this body here. It's actually two separate pieces. The handle, this inner body, are two separate pieces. It rotates independently here, and then the collar. And so what I need to do in order to get this off is I need to rotate this counterclockwise, and that will let this middle collar area screw out. So you can see, there we go. I'm just screwing this collar right here, and I'm moving it counterclockwise, and that allows you to remove the handle, which is going to allow you access to the valve body so that you can replace that shower cartridge that's in there. And with this one, what we're having an issue with is there's only hot water, and that typically means that the cartridge is bad inside the wall. So it might take a while, but we are unscrewing this, and it's independent of the actual handle. So there's two pieces here. We've almost got it. But there is more threads in there than you might think. So it takes a little bit to get these off. We've screwed it, but you can see it's coming out, and there, now we've got it completely out. And you can see right here, we can move the handle independently of this valve bot, or this other collar on the handle as well. You may need to pry this off depending on how long it's been there. This one I've been taking off and on for this video and to diagnose the problem there, but there is a little tab here that you can put a small screwdriver in, and now we've got access to the valve body so that we can replace this. So that is how you remove a Pfister shower handle with no set screw, and then all you're going to do is get it aligned, the handle back on that body, and then now you're going to go clockwise and screw it back in. And usually once you screw it all the way in, it will hold that plate in place there, but you may need some silicone or something behind there to get it to hold. So that is how you remove a Pfister shower handle. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.